Welcome to the channel Kaizen Smarter. Are you someone who shudders at the mere mention of math? You are not alone. But what if I told you that one of the most fascinating curves in mathematics, the parabola, plays a significant role in our daily lives? And the best part in understanding that from me, no formulas, no complex calculations, just real world applications that make parabolas come alive. The word parabola comes from the Greek word parabole, which means alongside the throw. Have you ever marveled at a cricket ball hit by MS Dhoni or Rohit Sharma soaring for a six and landing on the roof of the stadium, or a baseball flying over the fence for a home run? Cricket players like MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma, Surya Kumar Yadav, or baseball player Aaron Judge send the ball on a parabolic trajectory. The ball ascends, slows at its peak, and descends, tracing a symmetrical curve. Understanding this phenomena helps the players optimize their shots and fielders anticipate where the ball will land. How do satellite dishes capture signals from space with such precision? The secret lies in their parabolic shape. Parabolas have a unique property. They reflect signals that come in parallel to their axis directly to a single focal point. This design of the satellite dishes ensures maximum signal strength and clarity, making our satellite TV and internet signals very clear. Why do car headlights shine straight ahead without scattering light everywhere? Again, it's all thanks to the parabolic reflectors behind the bulbs. Placing the light source at the focus of a parabolic mirror causes the light to reflect outward in parallel beams, illuminating the road effectively and safely. This principle also applies to flashlights, spotlights, and searchlights like the Luxor Skybeam, and even the iconic searchlights in the 20th Century Fox logo. Have you ever noticed the graceful arcs of water in the fountains? Those arcs follow a parabolic trajectory. When water is projected upward, gravity pulls it down, creating a path that forms a parabola. This natural motion results in the beautiful and predictable shapes we see in the fountains and water sprays. What gives some bridges their elegant and curved shapes? Do you know that the main suspension cables of the famous Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco form a parabolic curve? This shape optimally distributes tension and supports the bridge deck effectively, combining engineering efficiency with visual elegance. Many bridges use the parabolic arc to distribute weight and handle compressive forces, allowing for longer spans and structural stability. Have you ever felt that exhilarating drop on a roller coaster? That thrilling descent follows a parabolic path. Roller coaster designers use parabolic curves to ensure smooth acceleration and deceleration, providing both safety and excitement. The parabolic shape allows for a natural and comfortable transition between the peaks and valleys of the ride, enhancing the overall experience. How do we listen to the whispers of the universe? Radio telescopes like the iconic Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico employ massive parabolic dishes to collect faint radio signals from distant celestial objects. The parabolic shape focuses these signals onto a receiver at the focal point, allowing the astronomers to study galaxies, pulsars, and even search for extraterrestrial intelligence. All you need to remember is this: parabolas have an amazing property. Any light or sound that travels parallel to the axis of symmetry of the parabola and strikes its concave side is reflected to a single point called the focus. Conversely, light or sound originating from the focus is reflected into a parallel beam, leaving the parabola parallel to its axis of symmetry. Here is something you can do. Observe and share other instances of parabolas which we encounter in daily life. Add that in the comment section of this video on YouTube so others will also know about it. Remember that becoming smarter day by day is both easy and fun. If you like this video, do provide your feedback in the comment section and do subscribe to the YouTube channel Kaizen Smarter and share the video within your friends and family circle. Let's continue exploring the wonders around us. Until next time, have a fun, smart day and please take it easy.